Good morning and welcome back. So today I am going to attempt to fit this swivel base to the passenger chair. So I'm literally going to dismantle the chair, take the top off, just put it back, take the top off. I'm actually then going to take the base off and then relay some of the carpeting down there to tidy it all up, put the base back on, put the swivel base on, and then reattach the seat. So that's my plan for today. So come and join me and let's see if we can make this work. So stand by. So we've managed to fit the swivel seat. So literally the operation backwards and forwards. So now I've got like an extra seat in the van, which is great, which is what I wanted. So that's really good news that this was a replacement part. The first one just wouldn't swivel. I messaged the guy and we got a replacement, so it worked first time. Really simple to fit. I took the seat off, the rails, fitted the swivel base back using the original bolts, and then these bolts are supplied and then just fit straight on. So that's the swivel seat now in. We haven't really done much else. The cushions arrived, which is like more or less a perfect fit, which is good. Trying to finish off more cupboards. We've literally our pull out part for the toilets done. So we just need to build a shelf now and then box all that in. So I just need to get some more wood to start to finish stuff off, and then all I've got left to do is literally my plumbing. So I've ordered a 70 litre Fiamma water tank in blue, an accumulator and a 12 volt pump. So all the piping, all the adapters, all that sort of stuff should be arriving soon, hopefully, fingers crossed. So we'll do all that at some stage. So that is my plan to get stuff done. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.